Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are back again for another episode, and this time we have traveled almost about 55 to 57 kilometers from Panjim via Marseille, Sankeli, Valpoi, and we have come to a place called as Nagargao. I am standing here at a junction which is very, very beautiful and also extremely historical. Because the junction that I am on in this place called as Nagargao, this road leads to the temple of Brahmakarmari, and it is right next to the Nagargao village panchayat. Just for your information, this temple of Brahma in this place is one among the three in India. Actually, we have not come here to do the temple of Brahmakarmari, but we have come here to this village of Nagargao to bring to you the folk art of Goa, and that is Rannmalle. We are going to show you Datemand. We are going to show you Fugdi. Not the Fugdi that you normally see in our cities, but something that is a little different. We are going to bring to you the rich, intangible heritage of Goa. Let's not waste time. Let's go down there and see what's happening. Now that we have come to Nagargao, that is in the hinterland in Sattari Taluka, we have reached here in the morning. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there is something that I must tell you. Actually, this particular program I have tried to bring to you because a good friend of mine, Miss Savani Shetty, has managed to get together the troupe that is going to perform the Rannmalle and the Datemand and the Fugdi. And she has also arranged for breakfast, typical Goan breakfast. And for this breakfast, we have come to the Garva Bagaiti in Nagargao, which is owned by Mr. Lakshman Bhave. And the food, tongue-tickling food, Goan food, is made by his wife Mangala Bhave. Let's see what she has to say. राव, आमकां मातशें सांग कितें कितें केलां न्ही तें. राव,
हे आटवल म्हणटा. आतां हाका गोड मेथी आनी खोबरें घालून तांदूळ आनी ते तांदळाचे भाकरी आनी ते लसणीचे तिखट आनी ते भाजी आळवाची. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, in this place called as Nagargao to see something called as Rannmalle and other things. And just for your information, this particular program has been put together by the Sarpanch of this area, Mrs. Lakshmi Harwalkar. I must tell you, ladies and gentlemen, such initiatives by Sarpanches, hats off to them. I hope more Sarpanches, they have this type of program to preserve the heritage of this land. Again, let me salute the Sarpanch from here and let's watch what happens on this stage. I'm going to hop off this stage. Bye. नमस्कार. श्री शांतादुर्गे वंदन करून हांगा हांव दोन शब्द उलयतां. माझे नाव आसा लक्ष्मी हरवळकर. हांव ह्या गांवचे सरपंच आसा. तसेच माझे महिला मंडळात गायक आसा. आणि 25 वर्सांपासून हांव ही महिला मंडळां माझ्या वॉर्डांची हांव सांबाळटा. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा ग्रूप सांबाळप म्हणजे कितकें कठीण आसता तें. कित्याक बायलांक एकमेकां वांगडा रोखडेंच पटना, रोखडेंच पडटा हें सुद्दां तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसता. पण म्हाजें अशें आसा की हांव दुसऱ्यांचें पयलीं आयकून घेता. कितकी तरी झगडी भितर जाली जाल्यार हांव दोनूय बाजू आयकून घेता.
त्यांनाच त्यांना समजून सांगतात. त्यांनापासून हो माझा ग्रुप सारको व्यवस्थित चललेलो आसा. म्हाका दिसता न्हू म्हाज्या गांवांत घडी जी बसलेली आहा ती व्यवस्थित बसोनी तरीच ते आमचो गांव चलतलो आनी त्या गांवापासून आमचो बरो वहिवाटू चालू जातलो म्हणून. पंचायत क्षेत्र वेगळें आसा पण बायलांक सांबाळपाचो हो वेगळें आसा. हांव खुबशे 25 वर्सां पासून हांव फुगड्यांचो ग्रूप आसा ते हांव अख्खे गोंयभर घेवन वयता. प्रत्येक क्षेत्रांत आमची फुगडी घालता. फुगडी घालता घालता म्हाका दिसता आमचे 300 वयर क्रॉस जाले आसा फर्स्ट प्रायजार घेवन. देवान सुद्दां अशें केल्लें आसा की परंपरा पारंपारीक हाचो अर्थ परंपरा सांबाळपाक जाय म्हणून. इतके 2 शब्द सांगतात. धन्यवाद.
After some time, we'll be having the performance of Rannmalle. But before that, I would just ask Bharat sir to speak something about the archaeology of this place, and then to Tanvi about the.
We are in the northeast corner of Goa, that is Sept Taluka, as she has rightly said. Sept Taluka is one of the 12 talukas of Goa, which is full of biodiversity, which is full of natural cultural heritage, and it can be rightly called as a treasure house among all talukas of Goa, because it has very well preserved forest, flora, fauna, the cultural traditional lifestyle, rituals, traditions, festivals in its original form even today in 21st century. There are temples having sculptures which are more than 1000 years old. For example, in this village there is one temple dedicated to Brahma. There are very few temples of Brahma in entire India. This particular village has got a temple of Brahma, which was originally located at a village called Karmali, where Karmali railway station exists. During Inquisition period, when the temples were getting destroyed, villagers of Karmali decided to save that particular sculpture. It is a life-size image of around 5 feet. Karmali to this place is more than 50 kilometers in distance. Manually, the sculpture was shifted to this place in Nagargao. Since Brahmadev came from Karmali to this place, the locality around that temple came now known as Brahma Karmali. Apart from this, there are nearby village called Sonar, very popular among archaeologists for an image of Gajalakshmi. There is one Gajalakshmi image more than 2 meters in, around 2 meters in length, having a hole, and people say that this is a hole of a gunshot. Portuguese were after some freedom fighters, and somebody had hidden behind the sculpture, and Portuguese forces came to know and they shot, and that hole is because of the gunshot. As an archaeologist and as a student of history heritage, I welcome you all to this historic area called Sept.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanvi, and a lot of people have no idea that there are many forms of folklore in Goa which are not even known to Goans. Forget about people from outside. So I worked on 3 folk theatre forms, that is the one which you are going to witness here, Rannmalle, Zagor and Kalo. Like for example, there are certain folk theatre forms or folk dances, like for example Shigmo, the festival, where there are a lot of folk dances performed, or folk theatre forms like Rannmalle are performed, are solely celebrated and performed by males. The participation is of women is only as an audience, or they will help them dress up, or they will help them with makeup, etc. Otherwise, or making food for that matter. So that's the only participation of women traditionally in these folk forms. Now coming to Rannmalle as a form, one very key feature of this particular folk theatre form is it has a human curtain that you will see. But when it's performed traditionally, it starts at around say 12 or 1 o'clock at night, and it goes on till to 5 a.m. in the morning. Most of the folk theatre forms in Goa are like that. So the chorus, the human curtain stands there and sings throughout the night, and they introduce the characters, or they start the performance. Now there are 2 kinds of characters characters in Rannmalle. One category is Songa and one category is Gonga. Songa are the characters which are based on the mythological characters or various deities, or especially in Rannmalle there are characters from Ramayana. So that's why when we go to the etymology of the word Rannmalle, there are two theories. One is about what Savni told us before. It is about Rann is the war field or battlefield, and another is it also comes from the word Rannmalle, the story of Rama, because there are a lot of characters from Ramayana. There are Ram, Lakshman, there is Demonis, Tratika, so which feature in Ramayana. So they are Songa, and the other category of characters is Gonga. Gonga are based on real life characters. With the kind of gestures or with the kind of movements that they make, I'm sure you'll be able to make a lot of sense out of it. I will stop at that. I hope you enjoy this particular form. Thank you so much.
She is notified as one of the source of cultural heritage. She is 70 plus. She learned it herself. She got the people together. She went to other places to perform. So I think she deserves at least one round of claps. Second.